Gala token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Gala token price update. What's the price of Gala token? What's the price changes occur in Gala token? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, at this time, if we talk about the right now price of Gala token, 0.09566 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Gala token. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes update of Gala token, so guys, you know what, I noticed Gala token that from last 7 days I found Gala token are going in the lows, guys. So just the last 24 hours changes is about negative 5.61%. The price changes of Gala token going in the lows, guys. But guys, still I don't recommend for my viewers hold selling, guys. Don't sell, guys. If you want profit from crypto, so you have to hold for a long time. You know what, guys, how you get a profit? Hold. If you hold, you get a profit. If you not hold, so nothing you will get, guys. Remember that, guys. You know what, guys, the price of Gala token are completely going in the lows from the price chart. That's clear for everybody, guys. So that's mean, guys, that the price is very cheap, going low day by day, guys. So that's why I recommend hold. Anyways, guys, what you think about Gala token? Please also share in a comment box your opinion. What's your feeling about Gala token? Also share in the comment box, guys. But my suggestion for my viewers, my subscribers, is that please hold possibilities, guys. That's my prediction that after 20 October, the price again start pumping, guys. That's only my personal prediction, guys. If you want buy, if you want sale, if you want hold, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.